In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Notion on Windows 11. We'll keep this really simple so you can follow along step by step, even if you're not very familiar with installing software on your computer. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 PC. This could be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or any other browser you like using. In the address bar at the top of the browser, type notion.so and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Notion's official homepage. It's always best to download apps from the official website so you know you're getting the latest and safest version. Once the Notion homepage loads, look for the area that mentions the desktop app. If you don't see it right away, an easy alternative is to use a search engine. In a new tab, type Notion Desktop App for Windows into the search bar and press Enter. Among the results, find the official Notion link that mentions the desktop app for Mac and Windows. Click that result to go directly to the download page. On the Notion desktop download page, you'll see options for different operating systems. Since we're working with Windows 11, look for the button that says Download for Windows. Go ahead and click that. Your browser will now start downloading the Notion installer file. This file will usually appear at the bottom of your browser window, or you can find it later in your Downloads folder. Wait for the download to finish completely before moving on. When it's done, open your Downloads folder or click directly on the downloaded file from your browser. The file will typically have a name like Notion Setup with an installer extension. Double-click that file to start the installation process. Windows may show a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is normal when installing new software. Confirm that it's from a trusted publisher, then click Yes to continue. The Notion installer will now run. In most cases, it will install automatically without you needing to change any settings. Just wait a few moments while it completes. When the installation is finished, Notion should open on its own, or you can find it by clicking the Start menu and searching for Notion. From there, you can sign in with your existing Notion account or create a new one and start organizing your notes, tasks, and projects right away on Windows 11.